Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and there's this this game's actually really fun. It's like Untitled tag game, but you're monkeys, and it's like so fun. It's like pretty new, I think. I gotta check out if it's new. Check it out if it's new. When was this game made? It was updated 4 hours ago, and it was made this year. So relatively new, and I like it. It's like actually really fun. Been playing it for a little bit. I think I'm pretty good. But when I have unlocked music, I'm so good. I had the low cortisol, and it wasn't it for me. So yeah.
I got this.
Now I'm gonna try with no music. So the game was like made. Oh my god! Get me twice and get me once. That's pretty annoying. If it gives me again, then I'm gonna kill you. Or the game's gonna kill me. I don't know how I tagged that guy, but alright. So like the game is relatively new, like the game is relatively, oh my god. So the game is relatively new. Updated 4 hours ago. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you. Monkey see, monkey do. Try to mess with me, I'm trying to mess with you. Try to mess with you, big cock. Everyone's saying cookie. Oh, Roblox, gives you discounts, doesn't it? On like game passes and stuff, and like any single Roblox. Right now, I have that many bananas. I like the crosshair though. Hope you from seeing this stupid crosshair. Like that stupid crosshair. Bro thinks just because he has headless means it's cool. Bro, I should be able to climb this. Bro's getting cooked. Alright, Bro's hacking. I give up now. So like this is the main place where you die. Right? Get off my damn screen. Okay, but what's that? I'll buy one of these. Oh hell no, I don't want a pixel. Oh, I have to. Oh, what is that? What does it do? I want to figure out what this does though. Like, what is it? The hell does this do? I was playing games with my friends. I think playing any game with your friends, which isn't a teamwork game, is like kind of cheating in my opinion though. Okay, I was about to search up this game. Bro thinks he could get me. Bro thinks he could get me. Why did I shake in real life? I feel like I can win this. I wish there was something for content creators. Okay. Okay.
This one was freaking nice brain rot.
Leave me alone. This guy sucks. Okay, someone just tagged me because they felt cool. Bro, I was not ready. Alright, I'm gonna pause and figure out how to use the ability. But first I wanna do some gambling. Cool bubble. I wanna figure out how to use the ability. Alright, I think the I don't know how to. I think they're not ability. Okay, can you close it for me? Can you close it for me? Can you close it for me? Okay, I'm leaving it open. You don't even need to do that. Oh. Yes, they don't even need to do that. Alright, let me eat the ice cream sandwich because it's awesome. Alright. I know Dano's not here with me in this video, but he might come in next video. I could not convince him. I just didn't ask him. Cause I didn't. Oh my god. I need to actually pay this guy. I forgot to pay him. Gotta eat my ice cream sandwich because ice cream sandwich. I have aura. Look, I have aura. How do you get me? I just don't need this game. Who's cheating? I'm such a cheater. But I got a leopard. A leopard. I want to be a leopard. Rawr. When the hell did I do that? Oh, that's cool. Wait, so they should add more trees like this. No, they should add more trees. They should add trees more like this. Yo, that's a cool tree. I like that tree. I'm so good at this city. I might make VR content soon. I'm not a boy, and I'm not a girl. I'm a coconut. I'm a coconut. I'm not a boy, and I'm not a girl. I'm a coconut. I'm a coconut. I was trying to find a job, and then I found a job. But heaven knows when I'm not gonna start. Play my locking music. Should I play my locking music? I'm not a boy and I'm not a girl. I'm a coconut. I'm a coconut. I'm not a boy and I'm not a girl. Yo, chat. Oops, wrong one. Nope, wrong one. Oops. Maybe. Me back home to put the fire. Oh, don't not listen to this. And heaven knows what I'm gonna do now. And the hate of a drunken now. If it knows I'm miserable now. Hey, I was looking for a job and then I found a job. Heaven knows that I'm miserable now. In the days I was drunken now. Heaven knows I'm miserable now. First job and then I found a job. Yo, chat, tell me if that's a W song. Tell me if that's a W song. Tell me if that's a W. Tell me if that's a W song, bro. It's not AI slot, bro. Someone actually spent time to make it. I haven't known where I know. Guys, tell me if I should get a better keyboard. Oh my god, bro, I'm gonna die. Well, that's it for today's video. This game was fun, and I'm gonna play a little bit of it after. I'm gonna make another video about this, try to convince my friends to play this, so I get more content. Bye!